In the world of logistics, coordinating multiple parties can often be a complex dance of endless emails, document exchanges, and manual data entries. Traditional communication methods, while familiar, can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Enter Dubee, a platform that harmonizes the conventional with the cutting edge. Dubee not only streamlines logistics communication, but also simplifies the document exchange process, making it effortlessly efficient. While Dubee ushers in a new era of efficiency, it ensures that familiarity is not lost. The platform intelligently integrates traditional communication, ingesting emails directly, and then meticulously extracts and organizes the data for seamless operations. This means that your trusted email communications aren't just retained, they're enhanced and streamlined for the modern logistics era. In the world of logistics, Dubee stands out as a helpful tool for stakeholders. Among its many uses, today we're focusing on one of the most interesting scenarios, seeing it through the eyes of a freight forwarder or customs agent. We'll use a real-world example to demonstrate how Dubee simplifies the task of moving goods from Germany to the United Kingdom. Every logistics journey on Dubee kicks off with the initiation of a ticket. Stakeholders can create one manually, or the system can automatically generate a ticket from emails sent to a dedicated address. As soon as a ticket is created, the operator is promptly notified. This is because tickets with new statuses get immediate visibility, ensuring that no detail or task is overlooked. Imagine a scenario where a German supplier emails commercial documents to a UK customs agent. As Dubee ingests this email, it swiftly forms a ticket and notifies the operator. Once inside the system, the brilliance of Dubee unfolds. By leveraging the advanced capabilities of Azure Form Recognizer and the smart features of AI like ChatGPT, the platform gets to work dissecting the ticket content. The initial step involves discerning the type of attached documents. Whether it's a commercial invoice, a packing list, an export declaration, or another document altogether, Dubee correctly identifies and labels them. Next, it focuses on the named entities in these documents. Say it's a commercial invoice, the system will identify the buyer and the seller. But Dubee doesn't stop there. Once these players are recognized, it checks if these entities are already registered on the platform, facilitating smoother interactions for known parties. CMR documents or any pertinent data in the email text are scrutinized to pull out crucial journey specifics like truck and trailer registrations and border crossing details. Once the ticket has been analyzed and the operator has reviewed the details, the next phase begins, converting these tickets into actionable shipments. If the operator is satisfied with the information within the ticket, they can seamlessly transition it into a shipment. This transition is more than just a status change. It represents a move towards actionable steps in the logistics process. One of Dubee's standout features is its ability to allow multiple operators to process tickets simultaneously. Even if these operators are working independently, Dubee's smart backend recognizes common factors like truck and trailer registration, combined with the date of arrival. If it detects that different shipments, even from separate tickets, are connected, it'll link them together. Here's where it gets really interesting. Let's consider a scenario. Two operators might be processing tickets for different importers. These separate importers may have goods coming in, but if those goods end up on the same truck, Dubee ensures they are treated as a collective when it comes to critical procedures. For instance, when these shipments need to be cleared and reported to the GVMS system, Dubee ensures they are bundled together, reflecting their shared journey. This capability ensures that not only are the goods processed efficiently, but any reporting or compliance requirements that hinge on collective goods being on the same truck are handled correctly and efficiently. Once Dubee has identified, created, and connected related shipments, it introduces an organizational layer that's pivotal for logistics efficiency: the master shipment. Master shipment creation. When multiple shipments share the same vehicle, Dubee crafts a master shipment. Think of this as a container that holds vital journey details, ensuring that all shipments aboard the same truck are linked under a unified umbrella. This master record includes pivotal data such as truck and trailer registrations, countries of dispatch and destination, and the planned route. The instant these shipments take form, Dubee's next action is to deep dive into the documents. With precision, it begins the extraction process, a phase we term as document preparation. This stage involves gleaning all the essential data points from the attached documents to ensure accuracy in subsequent steps. Upon completion of data extraction, our trusty Dubee bot steps in. It provides real-time feedback on the status of the extracted data. There are primarily two outcomes. All clear, everything checks out, and the documentation stands ready without hitches. Manual intervention required. Sometimes the bot might identify discrepancies or missing data points. In such instances, it doesn't leave operators in the dark. Instead, Dubee offers an extended validation feature. This feature pinpoints the exact errors or warnings, giving operators a clear direction on what needs rectification. This ensures that the final invoice and shipment data form a rock-solid foundation for the upcoming customs declaration. Now, let's delve deeper into one of the most critical components of this process, the invoice. The invoice, a vital document in the logistics process. Dubee ensures its content is captured with utmost precision and intelligence. Dubee doesn't merely read the invoice. It employs state-of-the-art techniques, utilizing the power of custom models from Azure Form Recognizer combined with ChatGPT. These tools meticulously extract data from PDF or image-based documents. The synergy between the AI models ensures that even the diverse layouts and structures of invoices are understood and interpreted correctly. But data extraction is only the first half of the story. Dubee then adds another layer by applying its sophisticated business logic. Commodity code allocation. Each product item on the invoice is mapped to its appropriate commodity code, ensuring accurate categorization. Incoterm location decoding. The system deciphers the mentioned incoterms, linking them to the correct UN location codes. Mass distribution. In scenarios where the invoice lacks specifics about item masses, Dubee intelligently distributes the gross and net masses based on item values, filling in the gaps. Preferential origin verification. One of Dubee's standout features is its ability to detect statements of origin on the invoice. This is very important because it allows the importer to claim a preferential origin for the goods. In doing so, importers can benefit from reduced duty rates. The beauty of this process is its automation. Human intervention is completely bypassed, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. In essence, from the moment an invoice enters Dubee, it undergoes a transformative journey, being reshaped, validated, and enriched, all set to provide the utmost value in the logistics chain. Navigating customs can be complex, but with Dubee, the journey is simplified, streamlined, and automated. The moment an operator confirms the readiness of the shipment by changing its status to Prep Checked, Dubee gets to work. Without any manual input, it gathers the necessary data, structures it for customs declaration, and communicates directly via API to integrated third-party customs software. Currently, Dubee connects to 2 software providers across 2 countries. Post-declaration. Dubee doesn't leave you guessing. With push notification capabilities, the platform instantly updates operators about the status of customs clearance. If all aligns, not only is the clearance status updated, but a PDF version of the customs entry is also made available. Lifecycle tracking. The journey doesn't halt at pre-lodging. As goods move and customs clearance evolves, Dubee continues to monitor and update the shipment status. This constant oversight ensures that stakeholders are always in the loop about the shipment's lifecycle. But there's more. If every shipment under a master shipment is pre-lodged and the haulier involved is both a participant and has granted platform permissions, Dubee seamlessly connects to the HMRC API. The result? A GMR, Goods Movement Record, that hauliers would require during ferry embarkation. For the on-ground workforce, the drivers, Dubee ensures a hassle-free experience. With the GMR barcode accessible via a mobile app, drivers can easily embark ferries. While on transit, they can actively monitor the GVMS status and communicate with customs agent. And in the event of border inspections, no surprises. Direct notifications equip them with real-time updates right on their mobile phones. With Dubee, from the start of a shipment's journey to its successful conclusion, every step is optimized, informed, and empowered, redefining the logistics experience. Dubee is not just another logistics platform, it's a dynamic ecosystem tailored for the intricate dance of global trade. The single source of truth. At the heart of Dubee is its shipment module, acting as a centralized hub for all stakeholders. Whether a buyer, seller, or any intermediary, participants can access a real-time snapshot of a shipment's status. From preparation to transit and from import to export, each phase is crisply delineated with a myriad of statuses, culminating in the final status that marks the successful customs clearance of goods. Dubee champions open collaboration. Every pertinent action, from document exchanges to status shifts, is captured in the Activities section. This ensures stakeholders can not only communicate directly but can also join broader discussions on the shipment platform. Access to documents is meticulously tiered based on permissions, assuring that stakeholders access only what they are meant to. Dubee's prowess extends into financial management as well. Once customs clearance is done, service providers have the facility to automatically generate invoices. The integrated direct debit system further ensures that these invoices can be processed swiftly, with data ready to be integrated into accounting software. For users looking to start with Dubee, the process is streamlined. A user's IRI is all that's required to kickstart the registration. The platform autonomously fetches the rest from public registries. And based on their role, users are greeted with specific features right off the bat. For instance, importers can instantly sign an authority for direct representation, further easing their transition into the platform. With Dubee, stakeholders aren't just accessing a tool. They're entering a holistic solution that refines and enhances every element of the logistics sequence.